Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to the channel. If you're new in this video, we're covering Shiba Inu. It's been a while since I covered this. I think the last time I covered this was still back in December probably. Since then we've basically been in a relentless downtrend, which is not necessarily bad for Shiba. It's just something all meme coins have done. And especially, we already, it already started when we broke down this level right here at 2400. I'm just calling it 2400s, but that's obviously with all the decimals included. Drop down below that wasn't already great, but then also got the bearish breakdown right here below 2000, and then it just started in a relentless downtrend. And this morning, excuse my voice, it's a little bit stuffed, but I might sound a little bit nasal, so hopefully that doesn't matter. But this is the first time, and that's obviously much more important, that we've actually seen some strength from Shiba Inu. And this is coming from one thing and one thing only, and that is strength for meme coins. All right, what you can see is that all meme coins, Bonk, Floki, Pepe, BOM, Dogecoin, Shiba, all of them are doing well. They already started to do relatively well, with Pepe and Bonk leading the charge late last week. In the weekends, basically going into the weekends. If you watch my videos, by the way, you would have also known that. I've made some videos talking about the meme coin narrative potentially firing back up. But what that has led to is some bullish momentum right here as well for Shiba this week. Now the big question is well, first of all, is this real? The answer is yes. It's at least the bullish momentum we've seen so far is real. And the second question is well, can this actually continue, right? Is this actually sustainable? Can we expect more of a move? Right now we're at the previous month POC around 1550. Can we actually get into the next resistance level right here at 1900 and 2000, which would be another 28% move? And that's what I wanted to talk about. And I'll be completely honest, to predict something like this is very hard to do, all right? And basically, in these already relatively unstable market circumstances, we have to find some data, we have to find some technicals to justify whether we are either going up there, yes or no. Now, first of all, I still think a high time frame, Shiba is bearish, right? So you have to take that into account. But then and then we are also at a major resistance level. So would I buy Shiba Inu right now? Definitely not. But do I think we have a chance to actually break out? The answer is yes, and that's for two reasons. First of all, the market entirely is quite strong, and I still think, maybe we're not getting into a bull market right now, but I still do think short-term bullish price action can actually continue. Bitcoin still has room here, but also the total three altcoins have room to go up higher. So that's one of the reasons. But then outside of that, Shiba right now in terms of volume, the volume is increasing. So we're still gaining momentum. Volume is at $420 million. 420, it's written in stars. We have to break out now. But no, outside of that, the volume is also the highest it's been with the price going up in months. All right. And then if you take a look at the order flow, we have a lot of shorts coming into the price right here. We got some major short liquidations about 30 minutes ago, but I don't think all those shorts have been liquidated. So all of that together, it seems like the perfect storm. All right. Now, technically, so that means that I think it's most likely we're going up higher. Now, technically, for me to buy Shiba, I'd need to see a break at least above 1600. All right. So if we can continue these developments with the volume, with the open interest, and we're able to break above 1600, then I think it's confirmed technically that we can get towards 1900 as well. So that is something technically you'd still have to be a bit patient for. But if I have to, give you my most likely prediction here, I would say it's most likely we'll do that. So that's my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know for now. If we're unable to break above 1600 here, if Bitcoin starts to pull back aggressively, this was like Shiba, this was just some sort of relief rally. But short term for now, it still actually looks good enough to rally up higher. So I'll try to keep you updated on this, but for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.